Hello everyone, come and join us on a walkthrough on a 31 Ranger Tug and check out the view at the end. The Ranger Tug, this one right here I believe is the 30 or 31 footer for the Great Loop. And Ranger Tug itself is more of a cruiser, but it can get up to a decent speed, maybe 18-20 knots. You're not going to plane like the Cutwater is, but it's definitely going to get you out of a area or out of weather if you need it. This is the bottom of that Ranger Tug, 31 foot long.
How many people are up there?
Length overall is 34.10 inches. Clearance at folded mast is 9.8. Got a beam of 10 feet, Jesus. So that's wide enough. This might be actually a good medium-sized boat. It has, you can see a command bridge. And quite honestly, those fold-out seats right there gives you a lot more room. Hard deck over the aft cockpit.
So, a nice little kitchen, plenty of storage.
Galley.
Oh, sorry. I got schooled. Guys, it's a galley. I knew that. But apparently, it escaped me for a second. So, it looks like gas burner in this one. If I'm not mistaken, I think you can get both. We have nice little dinette that turns into an extra bed. The Helm has a nice little side door, so you can get out and move to the front relatively easy. The master state, nice little TV. Oh, all of our wiring, nice little shelving unit. I'm hoping on this bed, it does get a little bit narrow. I'm wondering if there's maybe a filler cushion for either that side. Probably not this one. Looks like a wet head. Actually, it's got the plastic pieces that you can, I guess, hang out to keep the toilet from getting drowned. I would assume maybe it hooks on here just to give you that nice little partition in there, which is nice. It is difficult to maneuver with the bifold door open, but that's okay.
I'm actually surprised.
Have our little refrigerator.
I'm actually surprised there's not more room. It's not much different than the 27 as far as
No, it's not. Apologize. Thank you.
And the gunnels are very narrow, but at least on the starboard side at the helm, you can step out.
Yeah. And move
Command
forward.
bridge is a little room up there. And this seems pretty solid.
Yeah.
Put a tent or something on it if you had to.
Yeah. Have you been up here?
Up a little bit. Yeah, I walked up there.
Am I the only one that took my shoes off?
You didn't need to, anybody else.
Yeah, well.
It is.
That's okay.
The gunnels are very narrow.
You want to be careful
But
not to step on
Plenty of
those.
seating up here. Yeah, you could put in some reinforcement.
Wow. Not sure.
Also got solar power.
Yep.
Bow and stern thrusters.
Right.
It's a single screw diesel engine though. And
Yeah.
it's got a radar mast. That's what you have your hand on.
Yeah. And it has a great show from up here of the boat show.